Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi everyone, my name is Nthabiseng Lepheana. I am from Tissue. We are located in Midrand. We started the business in 2024. We started the business because we wanted to create job employment. We wanted to be in a space where there's no much black people owning tissue. So we just wanted to close that gap. And we just wanted to supply good tissue to the local communities and nationwide, yeah. So we sell tissue, we also manufacture, we supply tissue. We sell napkins, we sell facial tissues, we sell toilet paper for the kitchen. Yeah, so our business is basically tissue. People should choose Tissue because it's good quality, very affordable, and people can resell the tissue and everybody can just have it. Yeah, it's good. Tissue is available nationwide and we offer our own delivery service. So our contact details is 076-925-6159. Our social media, you find us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn at Tissue. Our email is info@comtissue.com. Hi, my name is Nthabiseng Lepheana. I am a township entrepreneur.